are seeking spiritual guidance tailored to their unique needs and beliefs. AI, with its ability to process vast amounts of data and provide customized responses, is well suited to meet this demand.
The soul of the machine. Can AI truly replicate human spirituality? Despite its growing role in religious practices, AI's ability to truly replicate human spirituality remains a subject of debate. Critics argue that AI lacks the consciousness, empathy, and understanding of human emotions that are essential for genuine spiritual connection. They point out that AI can only mimic human-like responses based on the data it's trained on. It cannot truly comprehend the nuances of faith, the mystery of the divine, or the transformative power of spiritual experiences.
The algorithmic afterlife ethical dilemmas of AI and religion. The integration of AI into religious practices also raises significant ethical concerns. One concern is the potential for bias. AI algorithms are trained on massive datasets, which can reflect and amplify existing societal biases. This raises the possibility of AI perpetuating discriminatory or exclusionary practices within religious contexts. Another concern is the issue of autonomy and free will. As AI becomes more involved in spiritual guidance and decision-making, it could potentially influence or even manipulate people's religious beliefs and practices. This raises questions about the balance between technological advancement and the preservation of human agency in matters of faith.
Faith in the algorithm, the future of AI and religious practice. The intersection of AI and religion is still in its early stages. While it's unlikely that AI will fully replace human priests and religious leaders in the near future, its influence on how we practice and experience faith is undeniable. As AI technology continues to evolve, it's crucial to engage in thoughtful discussions about its role in religious life. We must address the ethical dilemmas, ensure inclusivity and respect for diverse beliefs, and strive to harness the power of AI in a way that enhances, rather than diminishes, the human spirit. The future of faith in the digital age may well depend on our ability to find harmony between the wisdom of ancient traditions and the transformative potential of artificial intelligence.